Hello, Nomad Sculpt, low poly. We use split tool and a trim tool and yes, a lot of tools. Let's go to the Nomad app and sculpt something. This is um, the goal. Remember, you have much more time than this video. I do only the basic steps and you can do it with more detail. Okay, we create a new scene. Yes, we don't need the sphere. Delete it. Okay, perspective at the bottom, turn it off. And okay, I started. I searched for a reference picture like this, and we use this here as a reference image. We can scale it a little bit and bring it in position like this. And now we use a plane. We go in the top view. We can reduce the topology a little bit, and that we can see the reference picture, we give the plane additive material. Now we can see our reference, and yes, and we can adjust the plane a little bit, and let's see the symmetry. We can check on show line, and now we see the center line, and we have to adjust the position of the reference picture a little bit. I think now, yes, now it's the middle. Okay, let's validate the plane. Use the trim tool, and we use the lasso. You can also use the polygon function to set the polygons, and make sure that hole filling is off. And I turned on the stroke I increased the stroke smoothing to maximum, and lazy rope stabilizer 0. And I tried, symmetry is on, lasso tool is on, and I try to trim the shape of the guitar. I'm going crazy. It's sometimes so tricky, ne? Okay, I lock the view, and I hope it works better now. Trim tool on, and let's start again. Yes. Now it's fine. Yes, I'm happy. Okay, we got the shape of the guitar. It's not perfect. Yes. Let's leave it like it is. Okay. We don't. Yes. Go to the camera and add the view to find the reference again. Okay. Turn off the reference picture. No. Turn it on again. We can turn it off. Unlock the rotation cube. Now we can use the selection mask. Mask it and extract the shell. Shell thickness 1 is okay. Extract it. And we can use the gizmo to make the body a little bit bigger. And we can delete the plane. We don't need it anymore. Okay, that's our body of the guitar. And now we turn on the reference image again and use the view of the camera to bring it back in position. And now use the trim function again. Check hole filling is off and front vertex in the stroke is on. Turn off the symmetry and use the ellipse tool. And now find the center point of the circle of the hole of the guitar and trim it. Fine. Switch to the split tool. Check also front vertex only is on and hole filling is off. Ellipse tool is on, and do the same thing to create a circle like this. Let's check it. Body is okay. And now we can turn off the reference image and bring our opacity in the material settings back. And our ring is also opaque now when we change it. We can give the ring a color, black. Okay. Let's adjust the body of the guitar. We can use the split function again, and hole filling off is okay, but now turn off front vertex only, and we use the rectangular tool. And now trim split the deck off. Sorry, we have to choose the body, not the ring. Do it again. Okay, that's fine. And the other side, also fine. Okay, select this side, use the selection mask, mask it, and now we can give it a shell thickness of 0.2 is okay, and extract the shell. We can give it a color, such a or gray. A little bit more metalness. Okay. And the ring we paint black. Now it's fine. Okay, the other side we can also paint. And this part. Paint it like this. Okay. Then we can use the selection mask again, mask the backside of the guitar and give it also a shell of 0.2. And this part in the middle, selection mask, and change the thickness to 0.1 and extract it. Okay. The ring, we can also use the selection mask and give it a shell thickness of 0.1. Now it's a little bit bigger. Okay. Now what we have to do. Oh yes, our scene menu is. Let's see what we've selected. Okay. Let's check the meshes. I think we can delete this one. And this one we can delete. And this one. No. Okay. Let's see how it looks without a wire. Yes. The next part is we need a box. Come on. And adjust the box a little bit. Like this. And now we can use our reference again. We can bring the camera back and reference image is on. Camera. Yes, the zooming. The background doesn't zoom with, that's always not so lucky. It's annoying. It's only about the length of the, I don't know the word. Okay, let's validate it and autosave. And now go a step back, turn the wireframe on, and you can reduce topology to 0 and now validate it. You can use the selection mask, mask this part, and you can adjust now this, and you can invert the mask, use the gizmo and adjust it like this. Yes, I think it works. You can adjust the thickness here a little bit and the position. And invert the mask again, use the gizmo again and bring this in this position and make it a little bit thinner. I hope you can see it. We can turn off the background image. Yes. Okay, let's paint it. And now we can clear the mask. Paint it again. Let's make it a little bit darker. Like this. Now, the last part is again a box. Like this. Topology to 0. Bring it in position and validate it. You can do the same steps as before. You can use the selection mask, mask it, and you can invert the mask and adjust it here like this. And you can also rotate it a little bit. Oh, we have to clear the mask. But first I invert it again and change the thickness here a little bit and adjust it like this. Oh, no, I think it's a little bit like this. Okay, now we can clear the mask. Okay, fine. Select this part and make it solo. You can go in the left side view and use the selection mask, mask the front side and give it a shell of 0 and extract it. And now you can make this solo view, top view. And now let's use the trim or use the split function. Hole filling off and front vertex only is okay. Rectangular. Now you can split this part and this part like this. You make the yes, I don't know the name for it. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Yes. And I think we painted we painted white at the moment. No, this parts we paint black. Black. And let's go to this one we can delete. The next one we can paint black. This one we can delete. We can paint it black. We can delete. Paint black. Delete. Paint black. Delete. Paint black. Paint black. And just delete. Mesh, 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 mesh. Okay. This meshes we can simple merge. Selection mask. Point 2. Okay. And extract it. And turn off the solo view. I think we can paint it, yes, silver. Okay, fine. Give it color. Like this. Okay. Yes. And the body you can remesh, or now when we turn on the wire, it's a real low poly. We got only 3032 vertices. Yes. And the guitar is relatively ready. Only the sides, I think, or yes. Okay. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.